Hello, my dear student of class 5. How are you all? I hope you all are well by the grace of Allah. I am also well. Dear student, today I am here at present to take a class especially for the student of class 5. So, my dear student of class 5 and all viewers who are joining me now, all are welcome to Guimara Online School. Dear student, let's introduce myself. I am Monir Hussain, assistant teacher of Bhagyo Garbaripara Government Primary School, Matiranga, Khagrachari. So, dear student, previous classes we discussed about happy birthday. Today, I would like to finish this story or text. So, dear student, all are check your EFT book, English for today, class 5, and take your exercise book and sit down in front of my class. Today I would like to discuss Unit 14, Happy Birthday, and next part. Already I discussed with all of you first part from this text. Okay, so all are write down today's topic's name, Happy Birthday. Dear student, at first I would like to draw a picture on the board. All are look at the board and listen to me carefully. Okay. Dear student, what is this? Maybe this is a box, okay, and it's wrapped by paper, design paper, okay, and it is a gift box. It's a gift box. So, my dear student, today our discussing text is from in some countries to finished friends and family. Okay, so dear student, at first I read out the text and all are listen to me and match with your EFT book. Okay, in some countries there is often a birthday for a party for a child's birthday. The child's friends come to the home. There is special food like sweets. The children play games and sing. The friends often bring a birthday gift for the child. The gifts are wrapped in colorful paper. The gift may be a toy, a book, or some cloth. In some countries, the friends don't bring gifts. The most important thing is to enjoy the day and spend time with friends and family. Okay, dear student, now again I read the text with Bangla meaning. আমি আবারও পড়ছি এই অনুচ্ছেদটি বাংলা অর্থ সহ। So all are student, my dear student, all are match with your book and listen to me. Okay. In some countries, কিছু দেশে there is often a party for a child's birthday. শিশুদের জন্মদিন উপলক্ষে বিভিন্ন অনুষ্ঠানের আয়োজন করা হয়। The child's friends come to the home. শিশুর বন্ধুরা বাড়িতে আসে। There is special food like sweets. সেখানে বিশেষ খাবারের আয়োজন করা হয় যেমন মিষ্টান্ন। The child play games. শিশুরা খেলাধুলা করে and sing এবং গায়। The friends often bring a birthday gift for the child. বন্ধুরা প্রায় জন্মদিনের উপহার নিয়ে আসে। The gifts are wrapped in colorful paper. এই উপহারগুলো, এই গিফটগুলো কি দিয়ে? বিভিন্ন রঙিন কাগজ দিয়ে সাজানো থাকে বা মোড়ানো বলি আমরা, মোড়ানো থাকে। The gift may be, এই উপহারগুলো হয় a toy, একটি খেলনা, a book, একটি বই, or some cloth, অথবা কিছু পোশাক। In some countries, আবার কিছু দেশে the friends don't bring gift. বন্ধুরা গিফট নিয়ে আসে না, উপহার নিয়ে আসে না। The most important thing, গুরুত্বপূর্ণ বিষয় হচ্ছে is to enjoy the day, দিনটি উপভোগ করা and spend time with friends and family, এবং সময় ব্যয় করা বন্ধুদের সাথে এবং পরিবারের সাথে। Okay, so my dear student, here are in this text has many new words. At very first, I try to write on the board some new words. Okay, so all are write down in your khata every word, because without meaning known understand meaning of the word, we cannot understand any text. Okay, first word is special. Special means special, বিশেষ। Special means বিশেষ। Another word is celebrate. Celebrate means উদযাপন করা। Celebrate means উদযাপন করা। Another word is different, means বিভিন্ন, ভিন্ন or বিভিন্ন, difference. Another word is open, means pry or pry. Another new word is colorful, means রঙিন। Okay, dear student, here are some new words, and every word is important, all of you. First word is special. Special means বিশেষ, special. Okay, celebrate means উদযাপন করা। Different means বিভিন্ন or ভিন্ন। Open means fry. Colorful means রঙিন। Okay, dear student, now I would like to discuss with all of you some true false from today's our text. Okay, so all are tell me or try to give an answer. Giving present to someone on birthday party is recent tradition. Given something on birthday party, any friends birthday party, given something, it's recent tradition. It's true or false? It's recent tradition? No. So it is false. It is false. And number 2, given gift is common in all societies. Given gifts, উপহার দেওয়া, it's a tradition or a common in all societies. Gift উপহার সামগ্রী দেওয়া কি সকল সমাজে বা সকল দেশে রেওয়াজ রয়েছে কিনা, এটা সাধারণ কমন বিষয় কিনা? It's true or false? It's false, because we know that some societies are received or gift birthday gift, and some societies are enjoy this whole day, sing a song with friends birthdays party or family. Okay, so it is false. So my dear student, and now I would like to discuss about with all of you some question. First question is, number 1, what do the friends often bring? What do the friends often bring? What do the friends often bring? বন্ধুরা প্রায় কি নিয়ে আসে? The friends, answer is the friends often bring what often brings? The friends often brings birthday gift. Birthday gift. Okay. Birthday gift. The friends often brings birthday gift. The question is, what do the friends often bring? বন্ধুরা প্রায় কি নিয়ে আসে? The friends often brings birthday gift. জন্মদিনের উপহার নিয়ে আসে. Okay. And second question is, what is the most important things? সবচেয়ে গুরুত্বপূর্ণ কি? What is the most important things? this question answer already has in your EFG book. The most important answer is the most important things, the most important things is to enjoy the day, enjoy the day and spend time with friends and family. Okay, the question is what is the most important things? The answer is the most important things is to enjoy the day. সবচেয়ে গুরুত্বপূর্ণ হচ্ছে এই দিনটি উপভোগ করা এবং স্পেন্ড টাইম সময় ব্যয় করা উইথ ফ্রেন্ডস এন্ড ফ্যামিলি, বন্ধু এবং তার পরিবারের সাথে। ওকে dear student, we also completed the story Happy Birthday. So now I would like to give all of you a homework. All I write down is your exercise book. Write a short composition at least 5 sentences Write a short composition, at least 5 sentences about your birthday. Okay. Write a short composition, at least 5 sentences about your birthday. Okay, dear student, all I write down in your exercise book. So, my dear student, all are try to stay at home with your parents. No more today. Thank you all.